In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover MetaMask accounts. Before we begin, a quick reminder. You'll need your secret recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. Keep it private, never share it with anyone, and make sure you're on the official MetaMask interface. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official MetaMask site. Once you're there, launch the MetaMask extension from your browser toolbar. If you already have the extension installed, you should see the lock screen. This is where you'd normally enter your password, but if you've forgotten it, don't worry, we're going to recover access using your phrase. On the lock screen, click Forgot Password. This tells MetaMask you want to restore your wallet rather than log in with the old password. You'll now see options related to your recovery method. Choose the option that says you have a 12-word phrase, or select 13 or 15 words if that matches what you wrote down. Pick the one that matches your phrase exactly. Next, enter your secret recovery phrase in the space provided. Type the words in the correct order with a single space between each and use lowercase letters. Take your time here. One misplaced letter or an extra space can prevent MetaMask from recognizing your wallet. If you save the phrase digitally, paste carefully and double check for hidden spaces. Once your phrase is entered correctly, create a new password. This password protects the wallet on this device only. It does not replace your phrase. Choose a strong password you can remember, ideally something unique with a mix of characters. After that, retype the same password in the confirmation field to make sure it matches exactly. When everything looks good, click Restore. MetaMask will process your phrase and decrypt your wallet locally. If the phrase is correct, you'll be signed back in with a fresh password on this device. Give it a moment to load. You should see your accounts derived from that phrase. If any tokens don't appear right away, that's normal. You may need to let the wallet sync or re-add token displays later. Your assets that live on the blockchain are still tied to your accounts. If you run into errors, slow down and check the phrase for typos, missing words, or extra spaces. Make sure you chose the correct word count option. And remember, without the correct secret recovery phrase, MetaMask can't recover your wallet. That's it. Your MetaMask account is restored and secured with a new password. Thanks for watching, and keep your phrase safe.